scrambled eggs life.
Yo, stop while I'm peeing.
Alright guys, so day 5, I decided to do a quick little house tour. Nothing professional, just some quick stuff. Even though I did it on the last video. This is our bathroom. So that's the bathroom. I'm sorry for the mess. This is the hallway. Of course, this is my room. I'm probably not even gonna be going in people's rooms, you know. I'm not even gonna invade nobody's privacy. This is another room. And of course, this is my grandma's room. The nice little breeze come in, you know what I mean? It's wonderful to look at from time to time. Nice little something going on here. And of course, you have, you know what I mean, a bunch of stuff on the wall. The hallway. Have all of that. Of course, this is the TV room, so we watch TV. Now, if I'm gone, if you know what I mean, if we away, this TV get taken down. And of course, I have my switch here, everything here, glass, everything is here. This is the living room, or this is the dining room / entertainment living room, I guess you could say. Yeah, and a bed here, just an extra bed where my uncle sleeps. Of course, you have outside, which we're gonna get into in a minute. The freezer, this is where we store the meats. Pause. Look like it's gonna rain outside too. And of course, you have the kitchen. Everything right here. Now, this is our fridge. So we have ice, everything, ice cream. Damn, pulling the whole thing back. Yo, what the hell? There we go. This is, yeah, and this is the fridge. Sugar cane, everything in there. Water is here. Takeout containers in case we're going anywhere. Aluminum foil, plates, everything. Domino. You really can't go to Jamaica without Domino's. I don't need to show you guys the rooms, man. The rooms, they rooms, you know what I mean? They have a bed, they have a dresser, and that's it. There's nothing, there's no TV. There's only one TV in the house, and that is the living room / dining room. Before I even get outside, let me eat my curry and dumpling. Let me show you guys what I'm. So it's dumpling and curry chicken. So on the snap of my fingers, this will be all done. So 1, 2, 3. And look who two showed up. These two want to play the Switch. Watch. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that's probably one of the main reasons why I love coming to Jamaica. It's like, I'm bringing the tech, they're having fun with it, because you gotta think, it's not every day, you know what I mean? You guys, even though you guys can go home and play Xbox and PS4 and all of that, these kids here, you know what I mean? So I'm grateful to be giving these kids an opportunity to play the Nintendo Switch, the PS4 2 years ago. You know what I mean? I wish I could have showed you guys, because it's just so enjoying to see these kids happy playing the game. I'm just not used to just littering. Look, so I gotta throw it. Alright, so yeah, this is the, I guess you can say this is the garden. Sorry, I'm eating one of the fruits. Yeah, so this is the garden. Banana trees, coconut tree over there. And yeah, everything is just a jungle, really. Just obviously you have concrete here, and then tropicalness, flowers, everything. Should take a picture of some of this stuff, but I think over here is the water system. Over here is the water system, I believe. So I think they take the water, they put the bucket, and I think the water system is somewhere around there. It's a really beautiful house, way better than before. I really don't know how it looked like before, but it wasn't this good. I'm gonna talk about the roof in a little bit, maybe later on tonight. But over here, that's how down there look. This is how the towels and drying everything. And for the most part, that's it. It's really not that much to the house. Us exploring where the tank is. Wait, that whole thing is a tank? Oh man, I didn't even notice. So what is this tank for? This is the water system.
Time don't do the oath now. Run pipe all about.
So if,
upstairs, now be the house on the town.
so if it rains, we get the water.
Yep. Down here, sir. Oh. Look at Sean here.
Right here, Maya. One thing in Jamaica, there's no such thing as I. It's me. There's no such thing as I. There's me. We use that ladder up there to pick up the fruit. I forgot this is an avocado tree.
Aki tree.
Aki. So this is an aki tree. So we use the ladder, we climb up, and then we get the aki out the tree. Really no words to really to explain. Before I really end it out, it's like I'm talking a different language here. Cause when I talk, it's like it's so proper English that they so used to the Jamaican talk. You know what I mean? But it ain't nobody's fault. We just used to whatever language that we would talk.
Red label or so.
A beer? I'm not really a beer guy, but
No, not really. Like what you drink,
I drink the Seagrams, the Smirnoff. You know, something not too, you know.
Put this balance, you know, turn like
make it turn over your bum, make it kill you.
you rascal.
Drink it.
Don't you overdose me. I really could cousin, you know. What the fuck I ring? Cause the one you want to open my mouth.
In a ring too.
Yo, what up, she? B. Whatever you want to move. I'm shooting a live video here. What is up? It's the most dark star me.
Are they worried about him flying out?
No, not here.
Just stay close to us, Sean.
I want to be you.
He's trying to protect you.
We need a blood coverage over this place. This place needs to lose. Come on. Nobody know who next. Lord God. What is this? Well, I've got somebody with me. Oh, God, he's able. He's able. I know he's able. Don't see him. Cannot get
Gotta use the bathroom, but I ain't using that porta potty. That shit bullshit. Got shit all over the place. I'm gonna use the bathroom like right here. Alright guys, excuse me for a second. I don't want nobody to see me. I'm not sure if this is against YouTube rules. I feel like something is crawling on me, but it's really these weeds.
Different.
Ili kana open wali na kumote.
Who?
Ili kana yeye na kumote.
You want to me drunk if I know me?
You don't.
Me? I don't drink never water from morning, man.
Cause I see you got the jacket there.
At this moment.
You can't get
What time to school?
Don't.
You got Jamaica dear man. You
don't even lie. I got it.
A man in Jamaica dear no.
Yo, some mosquitoes really got me tonight. Oh my goodness.